Good morning, Junior 4. Let us solve worksheet 1, lesson 1. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, which of the following statements is correct? A, star-diagonal lizard live in extreme cold weather. Of course not. Star-diagonal lizard live in extreme hot weather. Number 2, penguins have no feathers on their feet. Correct, so it will be the answer. But Junior 4, you have to read all the choices at first. Forest bears blend in with snow through their white fur. Of course not, because forest bears blend with the trees, and they have brown, not white. Crackles have colorful scales. Of course, also no. Number 2, the different colors of fur in different types of bird them to different colors. Junior 4 means camouflage, so we will choose adapt their habitat. Number 3, which of the following sentence doesn't represent the camouflage adaptation? Junior 4, camouflage always means colors or depend on the color of the fur. Okay, so thick downy feathers of penguin, of course not related to the camouflage, but other choices. White fur refers to camouflage, colored scales refers to camouflage, sandy color also refers to camouflage. Okay. Number 2, the bodies of fennec fox, penguins, and caracal are adapted to live in extreme hot. Put true or false? Of course, no. Why? Because the bodies of fennec fox, penguin, caracals, all of them don't live in hot climate. So number 1 will be wrong. Number 2, penguin had special blood vessels in their feet that help them to survive in polar regions. Correct. Number 3, the brown fur of polar bear help it to blend in the snow. Of course, no. Brown fur it blend with the trees. Number 3, give reason for the following. The blood vessels in the penguin's feet are wave around others. Why? To where the cool blood vessels. Okay, Junior 4, don't forget that give reason means why. Why the blood vessels in the penguin feet are rotate around each other. Okay, to warm the cooled blood vessels. Number 2, the penguin's body has an insulating layer of fat and thick downy feathers. Why? To keep the body warm. Okay, so any fatty layer to keep the body warm. Number 3, fennec fox has sandy colored fur while polar bear has a white fur. Why? Now we will separate this question into 2 parts. Number 1, fennec fox has sandy colored fur. Why, Junior 4? Number 1, to hide in the desert or to blend with the sand. Okay, why? The other part of the question, while polar bear has a white fur. Why polar bear need white fur? Why polar fur to hide in the snow. Okay. Number 4, what happens if forest fur are created with white fur? Forest fur, Junior 4, live in what? Forest fur live in the forest, so it needs to blend with what? With the trees. So here will the opposite. They can't hide and hunt their face in the forest. Okay. Number 2, the polar bear had a thin fur instead of its thick. Why we need thick? To keep warm. So if it becomes thin instead of thick, so we can't become warm. So it can't keep warm. So it can't adapt also Junior 4. Okay. In the polar regions. Okay. Number 3. The body of fennec fox is covered with black fur. Fennec fox live in what, Junior 4? Live in desert. So it has to be, or it has a sandy fur. So if it has black instead of sandy, the opposite. It can't blend or hide with the environment. And also can hunt their or its face in the desert. Okay. Number 5, write the scientific term. An animal that has a layer of fat and thick downy feathers to adapt in extreme cold weather will be penguin. Number 2, it covered the body of some types of hairs to blend in with the snow and keep it warm or super thick white fur. Why? Because he said that blend in with the snow, Junior 4. Number 3, a type of foxes that has sandy color fur to adapt to its desert environment. We have 2. Don't forget Junior 4. Fennec fox or Oracle fox. Number 4, a property that helps animals to blend with their surrounding environment. Property will be camouflage. Number 6, compare between number 1, penguin, fennec fox. Number 1, habitat. What is the habitat of penguin, Junior 4? Antarctica or polar bear? sorry, polar regions. Okay, but Finnic folks. Finnic folks in deserts. Okay. Penguin body coat. What is the color of the coat of the penguin? Super thick, white fur. Feathers, I'm sorry, penguin. But in case of Finnic folks desert, so it will be sandy fur. Number two, compare between polar bear and forest bear. Habitat: polar bear lives in Arctic region or polar region. But forest bear, forest, so it will be forest. Fur color in case of polar bear will be white. In case of forest bear will be brown or dark. Okay. Thank you, Junior 4. We will solve lesson 2 in another session.